delivered so far. On the side of Brazil, we're still waiting for Fafao to convert her place.
Very methodical showing here by the Chinese. That was one of the few errors that they've shown. Though it went in, and now they extend their lead to 7. And Coach Rezende is livid.
Fechado, duas só na rede, você abriu bola pra quê? Não tem ninguém lá. Mas eles duas estão na bola, cara.
Erica, Leila, I love you and they're gonna miss you. That's what the Filipino fans are saying right now.
Kala ko ikaw nagsabi nun, binabasa mo lang pala.
Binabasa ko lang, binabasa ko lang. Baka magka-problema na naman tayo niyan, hindi tayo makakauwi.
Balik tayo dito sa PhilSports Arena. The crowd enjoying seeing Leila on the floor. You like her new haircut, Anthony?
Works for me. You know, Chiki, if their first meeting in the early part of August was any indication of the kind of matchup we're going to be seeing here today, we're in for a good one. Tignan mo yung scores during that first meeting. Brazil winning in 3 sets to 2. And tignan natin, Brazil against China, 25-22, 27-25. 23-25, 18-25, and in the last set, a squeaker, 16-14, Brazil edging China.
Ang lalapit ng mga puntos doon. As we saw Karen Rodriguez there with an awesome kill at the middle for point number 7 for Brazil. Nangangalahati na ang Brazil dito. 7-14 is the score.
Sun Yue, yes, and the Brazilians, a lot of holes.
Again, Ricardo caught flat-footed there. And that's not the kind of Ricardo Lima that we've come to know here.
China. We'll see what defense they can come up with. It goes outside.
Sayang yon. Ang ganda pa naman ng receive ni Leila Barros. And that was just wasted away by a bad attack.
And as we reach our second technical timeout, this is not the kind of score you expected to see. China 16 and Brazil only 7.
Dilaw siguro Brazil. Ibang klase. We have all kinds here at the PhilSports. At saka nakakatawa, Anthony, yung kanilang, you know, they're really displaying their love for the game. Ibang klase ang ingay na nangyayari dito sa PhilSports.
Well, we're packed here to the rafters as Erica Coimbra gets it in and gets a point for Brazil.
Yin and Chen, he just could not hold Erica Coimbra there, who is ranked number 2 in the run-up for the MVP for the entire 2000 Grand Prix. Very impressive for this youngster. She's only 20.
Expect to see a whole lot of her. She's our number 1 server too. Rejected there the Chinese. They go now to Yin on the side.
Saved by Leila Barros, and the ball still in play.
Yin once again.
Nice
Saved by Erica. They'll try to get it just over. Back set. And this time, it's off the blockers. Another point for China.
Nakikita natin doon, gallant effort by the Brazilians to keep the ball in play. Pero nakikita natin na talagang nasa opensa ang China, and the Brazilians are just left scrambling and just moving around trying desperately to keep the ball alive.
Leila Barros.
Wu Yongmei getting a facial from Leila Barros there. And she felt that one. Right in the face of this girl, Wu Yongmei. Pero si Wu Yongmei, she's a tough one, Anthony. Alam mo, she spent 2 years in the Chinese army, ah.
Yin.
One-man block by Leila. Yin again. This time tips.
It's a set. Leila Barros.
Oh,
She's rejected
solid.
this time by Yin.
Right into the hands of Yin and Wu Yongmei.
Alam mo, basang-basa talaga yung play. Tinan mo yan. She goes up for that shot. 2-man block and nothing Leila Barros could do.
I think she knew her mistake. Dapat sinabi niya, linihis na lang niya. She just went right into the block of the Chinese. Di niya naisip. And look at the score now, 20-9. China with a commanding 11-point lead.
And right when you said that, Coach Rezende says, we have to talk things over. We're down by 11.
And she really felt that one. You know, she needed that to boost her confidence. Because si Leila Paros, as we know, matagal na nga hindi naglalaro since we started this preliminary round, the third leg. She didn't see much action then, and most definitely in the past couple of days.
Well, she has been hampered by an injury, which has really been bothering her. And she has failed to come up with the kind of performance expected of her from her millions of Filipino fans.
Well, Leshka, they're roofed by this girl, Woo Young May, all alone there.
And this set totally dominated by the Chinese.
Pacquiao going for Lia.
Quick set. And nobody in the middle there.
Erica Coimbra trying desperately to keep the ball in play. Hindi niya magawa. And the Chinese definitely in control here.
And maybe si Coach Resende has to have, practically given up on this set. Talagang with the scoring system we have now, it's going to be very difficult to come back from this kind of a lead.
Oo. At yan pa. Nakukuha pa ng China na mang-utak ng ganon against Brazil. Alam mo, nakaka-demoralize yan, Anthony. Look at the three-man block go up and nobody home in the back. Hello, nobody's covering the middle.
And you mentioned demoralized. It seems like this team is so demoralized. I'm talking about the Brazilians after their big loss to the Russians yesterday. Kahapon, natalo din naman yung China sa Cuba. But they played so well and probably they picked up something from that loss yesterday and they brought it into today. Pero itong mga Brazilians, mukhang dahil tinambakan nga sila ng Russia, maybe hilo pa rin sila ngayon.
Oh, hilo. Hilo nga yata. Tama yata yung sinasabi mo. But then again, Anthony, it's only our first set. Baka tama yung sinasabi mo. Ibibigay na nila itong first set na to and they'll just try to catch up from here on. And Leila Barros sits out as Katya Lopez comes in as the setter. And we also have
Elis Angela
coming in. And she is the girl that we've gotten to know in the past couple of days because she has been playing in the place of Leila Barros. Lopez, this is the second string setter for Brazil. She's 5'6" only. Shortest player in Brazil. And again, some butterfingers, shall we say there. Very uncharacteristic of Pacquiao. And so she fumbled with the ball there a little bit, giving China their first set point.
Well, this set was over before it even started. 24-10 po ang ating score. Halos walang ginawa ang Brazil. We'll see if they can come up with this one here.
Sinubukan pa ni Sun Yue ilaro yung bolang yon. Balik sa Brazil. Although napakalaki ng naman ng China. 24-11. This one is practically a gunner. It's going to take a hope and a prayer. Lots of prayers. Maybe from the 9,000 fans in the
It might take, I think, 9,000 novenas. And still may not work.
Pacquiao. Pero pa ba siyang 12 ganyan?
Well, it's a start. It's a start in the right direction at least. At the same time, siguro iniisip din nila is come up with a good showing here in the first set. Try to get our rhythm para at least may habol natin doon sa second set.
Of course, Anthony, you mentioned China very high on their performance against Cuba. Although they didn't win that game, they really showed up. And look at that, Heiki using her brains again.
That's the second time she has done that here in this match. And the Brazilians didn't know what was happening. Not just in that point, but seemingly in this entire first set. And they've lost that 25-12.